My name's Neil with RVPartsCountry.com. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about the Winegard carryout satellite. They come preset for DirecTV, but if you've got Dish Network or Bell, I'm going to show you where you set the settings for your receiver. So what you want to do, just get a Phillips screwdriver. You want to just take out the screws around the satellite protector. Then the lid just raises right off. And when you get the lid right on the main top here, it's got the numbers for Dish and Bell Network. It's preset for direct, and it also gives you the codes inside here on top of the switch. And all you got to do is set the toggle switches. There's 8 settings on here, and it'll show you on top which setting to take the toggle switch for your receiver. After you get the satellite set to your receiver, pretty much you're done. All you got to do is just go ahead, and what I usually do, I turn it around where the Winegard. I usually line it up right here where the input and outputs is. Now, once you get all the screws in place, got it back together, it's set to whatever choice your provider is with your satellite. So all we got to do, once we get camping or we tailgating at that football game or whatever you're at, NASCAR race, this has got a quick connector on it. You just push down on it. And these things right here, you want to make sure when you put them on, you don't have to press on them, because you'll hear them snap. Hear the snap? Then you can just run it over to your RV, or if you're in your SUV, a vehicle, whatever, just plug it in a cigarette lighter. Now, right here, the inputs, you can watch 2 TVs. You can watch 2 different programming at once. You got the main and you got the secondary. So that means inside the satellite, it's got 2 LMBs. That way, if you want to set 2 TVs up, maybe in the RV, one in one bedroom and one in the main living room, they can watch 2 different programs. All right, the Winegard portable satellite, once the GPS is locked on them satellites and you've got your services and you're showing on your TV that you got the strength you need for your cable, all we got to do, we're done with the 12 volts. You can unplug it from your car or your camper or wherever you got the DC from, and then just unsnap it from your satellite. And once it's locked in, you don't need no more. It don't have to have no power to actually run the satellite. If you're sitting in an area that there's a lot of trees hang over something and it's blocking where your satellite is pointing, what's good about the Winegard, you can actually just pick it up, move it just anywhere you want to move it. It's very light. You can see it's real light, and it's portable. In other words, if you're under a tree or some kind of structure or a building or some kind of problem, just move it around and you'll be watching TV in just a few minutes. There's an option now for the tripod, which I really like it, because you can set this anywhere on a picnic table or on the ground, but you can take the tripod and you keep it away from all the moisture and any kind of mud splatter on it or whatever. And it's pretty easy. Just unhook it like you're getting ready to leave and just twist the ends and it just comes right off. The rubber garment sits right in the pockets on the tripod. You can also visit us on Facebook and be a Facebook fan with RV Parts Country. And we have weekly and monthly drawings that we send out, promo codes, and we have some big discounts on a lot of RV parts and supplies. So if you got a friend or a camper or a buddy, tell them about our Facebook page on RVPartsCountry.com.